guys, welcome back to A&M Farms. Today I'm going to be showing you guys our new pressure washer. We just got it yesterday, and we washed the box spreader yesterday after we got done cleaning out the dry cow pen, and it's really good. It's a 2800 PSI, as you can see. It's a Troy belt, and it's really nice, and it's light. And these are the hose nozzles. This gets to attach. This attaches to these. And down here, there's like a little twisty knob that goes on the end of that. Then this hose connects to there. And then the other part of that black hose hooks onto here. Then you put a regular hose on here. It's a little bit dirty from last night, but ain't too bad. And I'm gonna start it up real quick. You hit that, then you pull on that right there. That's how you get started. It's really nice. And there's this little black strap holds your hose, and the soap dispenser goes right down in here. Just lift up with that cap and put your soap in. Fuel is there and the oil is there. You just twist that and pull it out. This is mainly gonna be used to wash that skid loader, the tractors, the manure spreaders after we get done using them. So it's better than what we were washing everything with. Just like a little hydrant hose and a brush. This gets the job done much faster. So if you guys are looking for a pressure washer to buy, I recommend Troy belt. Powered by Briggs saturation. It's pretty cheap, about 300 and some bucks. So I recommend this if you guys are looking for pressure washer to wash your equipment with. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends about the channel. Don't comment down below. Don't forget about shout outs. And thank you guys for watching.